Welcome, beautiful souls. If you found this healing portal, trust you are guided here for a reason. This space was created intentionally during the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer to support deep emotional healing, self-awareness, and inner sovereignty. This is not about fixing yourself. It's about remembering who you are beneath old emotional patterns and learning how to lead yourself with compassion and clarity. We are now more than halfway through the powerful retrograde cycle, which began on November 11th, 2025, and it continues through March 11th, 2026. The excavation has already happened. The awareness has already arrived. This phase of the portal is about integration, learning how to feel deeply without being ruled by emotion, and how to respond to life from wisdom rather than reaction. As we move through this week together, I invite you to listen and open with an open heart. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and let's begin with a gentle, supportive container where your emotions are honored, not judged. Before we begin, I want to share a few loving announcements for those who feel called. So Valentine's Day is over, but you can still get the couples compatibility reading half off in honor of love until the end of February. They're available. These are sacred love alignment readings for new love, dating couples, and long-term partnerships. If you're feeling guided to explore the energetic alignments, soul's lessons, and emotional dynamics of your connection, you can order these on my website, healingexchange.net. These readings are created with care, intention, and deep intuitive focus. I also want to share some beautiful additions to my weekly offerings for the collective. Every Thursday, the collective reading now includes a zodiac segment, offering a separate intuitive message for each zodiac sign that directly relates to the energy of that week's reading, allowing you to receive guidance that feels both collective and personal. And on Saturdays, the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading now includes a visual mini movie created to help you integrate the deeper meaning of each card and its placement. This visual experience is designed to support fuller understanding and embodiment of the messages Source brings through. Not just intellectually, but emotionally and energetically. Everything offered here is created with one intention: to help you understand the messages the universe, the source of all that is offering for your growth, healing, and alignment. So take a deep breath, settle into your body, and let's begin today's healing portal message together. Day 20. Compassionate communication speaks without armor. Communication shifts when emotional mastery grows. Cancer protects, but Protection does not require defensiveness. Today we remove armor. When you speak from regulation, your voice softens, your tone steadies, your words become clearer, and you can say hard truths gently. Compassionate communication is honest, direct, non-blaming, and calm. Jupiter retrograde encourages revisiting conversations that need maturity. You're no longer speaking from wounded ego. You're speaking from grounded truth. The difference between reaction and response is tone. Defensive communication escalates. Regulated communication diffuses. Today, practice I feel instead of you always. That shift alone transforms relationships. Cancer energy values emotional safety. Compassionate communication creates that safety. If this resonates, subscribe so you don't miss what's unfolding during Jupiter retrograde in Cancer. And watch this next reading. It goes even deeper. I post collective energy readings every Thursday and Jupiter retrograde in Cancer readings every Saturday, and daily healing portal forecasts right here on Healing Energies with Empress Shay. If you'd like a personal reading tailored to your energy, whether it's a personal, career, relationship focused, you can book through the link in the description. These readings are more than predictions. They're healing containers. They are clarity. They are alignment. And now you can go to my SD shop at Healing Exchange. Yes, that's right. I'm on SD now. So go right over. All you have to do is hit the link in the description. Takes you right there. So thank you for being a part of this healing community. And thank you for choosing growth. Thank you for choosing yourself. Until tomorrow, stay aligned, stay evolved. This has been Empress Shay, and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.